In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email links open in Outlook. 5 minutes. If you've ever clicked an email address on a website and it opened the wrong mail app, this is for you. We're going to set Outlook as the default handler for email links, also known as mail to links, so every time you click an email address, Outlook opens a new message automatically. I'll walk you through it on a Windows PC and I'll add tips along the way to keep everything clear. First, go to your PC settings. The quickest way is to press the Windows key plus the letter I on your keyboard. If shortcuts aren't your thing, click the Start button, type Settings, and open it from the search results. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Windows Settings window with a menu running down the left side. Next, click on Apps. This is where Windows keeps all the controls for installed apps, optional features, and most importantly for us, default apps. If you don't see apps right away, look toward the top of that left-hand menu. Give it a click to open the app settings page. Now, click on default apps. Think of this section as the place where you tell Windows which app should handle what. Here you can choose the browser that opens links, the media player for videos, and the mail client for email links. We're going to point the mail to link type directly to Outlook so it becomes the app that launches a new email whenever you click an address online. Once you're in default apps, use the search box that says set defaults for applications and type Outlook. You may see a few similar entries like the classic Microsoft Outlook desktop app, the new Outlook, or even the old Mail app. Choose the Microsoft Outlook app you actually use for your email. Selecting the right one opens a page where you can manage which file types and link types Outlook should handle. On the Outlook defaults page, look for the section labeled Set Defaults for File Types and Link Types. File types are things like MSG or .eml files, while link types are web-style protocols like Mail-to. Because we want email links to open in Outlook, our focus is on the Mail-to link type. If you're curious, Mail-to is the special protocol behind those clickable email addresses, and it tells Windows open the default email app and start a new message. Find Mail-to in the list and click it. A small window or menu will appear letting you choose which app should open Mail-to links. Pick Outlook here. If Windows shows you an option to switch anyway, or asks if you want to keep using a different app, confirm that you want Outlook instead. That's exactly what we're changing. After you make that selection, you should see that Mail-to is set to Outlook. That confirmation means you've successfully told Windows to use Outlook for all email links. From now on, when you click an email address on a website or a document, Outlook will pop up with a new message window, already addressed and ready to go. Most changes take effect immediately, and you don't usually need to restart anything. If you had settings or your browser open for a long time, a quick close and reopen can help, but it's typically not necessary. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you didn't see Outlook in the list, make sure the Outlook app is installed and up to date on your PC. If your organization manages your device, defaults might be controlled by your IT department, so you may need to contact support. Also, if you use more than one version of Outlook, like the classic desktop Outlook and the new Outlook, choose the one where your email account is set up so your messages compose in the app you actually use. Finally, if you ever want to switch back, you can repeat these steps and select a different app for Mail-to. That's all there is to it. You've set Outlook as the default for email links, so your workflow will be smoother and more consistent every time you click an address online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.